This video will show you how to use the Study Assistant feature in Messenger Pigeon. Study Assistant is your personal learning strategist designed to guide you through your notes to support your understanding. You can access Study Assistant from any session page. Just tap the magic wand icon located at the right-hand side of your screen. You can tap the drop-down menu to browse through a wide selection of voices for your Study Assistant. Tap the voice that works best for you to select it. You can always change it later if you want. When you're ready, you can tap Start Conversation to begin speaking to your Study Assistant. If you cannot or prefer not to speak, you can tap Start Text Only Conversation to type to your Study Assistant instead.
Hi there, I'm here to help you work through your study materials and deepen your understanding.
Now you can speak with your Study Assistant. It will transcribe your speech and respond to you in your chosen voice.
Of course, I can help you prepare for your test. To start,
let's ask for a quiz to help us study.
that's a great way to test your understanding. I can certainly create a short quiz for you based on the lecture. Here are 5 questions to get
Study Assistant uses information directly from your lecture to provide you with active learning materials. It's that easy. You can now use the Study Assistant feature in Messenger Pigeon. It's time to make learning feel personal again.